Hi everyone, it is January 20th, 2020, and those of you watching right now saying, wow, Sam hasn't done his cooking in a long time. Well, I'm happy to tell you that I actually decided to bring back the cooking to this channel. And the reason I'm doing it is for only one reason, because I got a lot of requests to bring it back, but I'm going to be disabling the comment section, okay? And the reason I'm doing that is because the people that enjoy my cooking shows, and there are a handful out there, don't have to write that they like my cooking shows. They can actually contact me, because the people that are liking my cooking shows, I also keep in touch with. So they can contact me another means. For everybody else, well, you just have to watch. So I'm going to be, today is going to be a simple one. Today I'm just going to make eggs. But I'm going to be making a Dorito chicken casserole next Monday. Next Monday, I'm going to be making Dorito chicken casserole. And I'll be putting the link in the description area when I make that. This I'm not putting a link in, because if anybody can't make eggs, well, I don't know what to tell you. So I'm making just eggs. I got up a little late, but I'm making scrambled eggs. But I thought I'd give it this opportunity to actually tell everyone that I'm going to be doing a lot more cooking on this channel. So there you go. That's the thing I wanted to pretty much tell everyone. So I hope the people that are watching the channel are excited. I know a couple of people really were upset I took the channel off, and I didn't realize, honestly, to tell you the truth, that the people that watch the channel like the cooking so much. But now that I know that, I'll bring it back. But it was no big deal. In fact, I'm going to be doing it better. I have a lot of ideas that I'm going to be adding to the cooking channel that are going to make it better than the previous 673 videos I had up there before. But I'm going to try and not repeat anything. That's one of the things I'm going to try and not do. I'm trying not repeat anything. Okay, so I just took some 2 eggs and scrambled it. Add some salt and pepper now. Add some salt and pepper. And this is a very simple dish. But I figured I'd do something simple to introduce the announcement that I'm bringing the channel back. So a little bit of salt. And I need pepper. What? Oh, there it is. So not much has changed. I still have been cooking. I just want to tell everyone out there, nothing has changed. Even though I didn't cook on YouTube, I still have been cooking. I still have been eating very, very well. That has not changed. I'm just keeping track of my calories right now, because I have to keep a 1,500 calorie limit. So like the 2 eggs you see here, I gotta actually keep track of how many calories the 2 eggs are. And I try to stay within the 1,500 calorie limit, more or less. Okay, now I gotta get some butter. Butter makes it better. Tablespoon of butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. I'll use this up. It's a little butter. I gotta go shopping tomorrow to get new butter. Honestly, I have to go shopping. I think it's 2 tablespoons of butter. I gotta get a thing of butter tomorrow. Today I gotta wait for the laundry guy to come. So tomorrow I'll go out shopping tomorrow and everything will be good. Use that up. And that's pretty much it. I just want to get, maybe I'll make some toast while I'm waiting for the butter to melt. Make some rye toast. So I hope you guys are excited, the people that are logical thinking anyway. Can't speak for everybody. Can't speak for everyone. The logical thinking people, I hope they're excited that I decided to bring the channel back. So I'll be doing other things on this channel too, but I am going to be having channel cooking on here whenever I make something. Today is just a very quick one. It'll be a 10-15 minute video, but it's good to announce it. So actually, you know what? I have an idea. Show you what I'm gonna do. Show you what I'm gonna do. There's a lot of butter in here, right? People are saying there's a lot of butter in here, Sam. Show you what I'm gonna do. Show you a quick way on how to make melted butter. Okay, so now what I want to do, I'm going to put the, no, put it in here. Doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so now let's put it on a medium heat, like I have in here, and put it in. Not going to get any. Okay. And the secret to making really good eggs is don't touch them, really. You shouldn't really touch them a lot. Like, you can do the edges like this, but you don't want to scramble them too much in the pan, because then they come out, but you want to come fluffy. So what I do is I move it to the side, and then I go like that. I try not to mess them up too much. They come out really fluffy, the eggs. Try them once, I guess. I don't have this spatula right now. That's why I turn them. Where's the spatula I had? Oh, then my toaster's ready. Awesome. Here's my spatula. Oh, my spatula. The toaster's ready. I like them. I don't like them loose. There you go. Perfect. And that's all you really need. And I'll get a plate for it. There we go. Like that. We got toast. And we're set. So there you go. There's the dinner. There's the lunch. There's the dinner. There's the lunch. Whatever you want to call it. So that was a quick meal. I'm gonna sit down and have coffee with this now, and I'll see you guys later. Okay? This is just pretty much an announcement video that I'm bringing the cooking channel back. An introductory proof that I'm bringing the cooking channel back. Take it easy, everyone. Have a good day. Be well. Bye bye.